Hi there! So, you're thinking about adding an egress window to your basement, right? Great decision. An egress window not only provides a crucial emergency exit, but it also brings in natural light and ventilation and is a great visual addition to any landscape. So, how will the experts at StayDry handle this important upgrade for you? Let's explore the process together. First things first, planning and preparation. We start by choosing the best location for your new egress window. This spot should not only meet code requirements, but also be practical for your space. Before we dig, we'll make sure the ground area is free of any plumbing, cables, gas pipes, or any other type of hidden obstruction. From here, we'll consult with your local municipality on building codes and obtain any necessary permits that we may need. Next, we measure the space where the window will go. We'll use a tape measure to mark the exact dimensions where the window will be installed. This is a crucial step to ensure the window fits perfectly and meets safety standards. Once the planning is done, it's time to start digging. For smaller windows, we'll do this with boots, shovels, and sweat. For larger jobs, we'll bring in an excavator and give our crew a much-needed rest. As we are digging out where your window will be installed, we'll load the excess dirt and debris onto our trailer, then safely remove it for disposal. Once the hole is dug, the first thing we'll install is a French drain system. This crucial step, often overlooked by many of our competitors, prevents water from accumulating in the area. Without this perforated pipe system, water can build up, exert pressure on your foundation, and flood into your basement or egress window itself. The system is connected to your internal basin, where the water can safely be pumped away from your home. Once we finish covering our perforated pipe with geotextile fabric and washed river rock, it's time to start cutting out the frame for your window. We'll use a concrete saw to carefully cut out the marked area for the window. Safety glasses, a breathing respirator, and gloves are a must here to protect ourselves against dust and debris. Cutting through concrete is a slow and tedious process, but with a little patience and hard work, you'll be rewarded with a clean, precise cut that ensures the job is done right. All right, the foundation is cut, but we're not out of the woods yet. It's time to break a sweat and start swinging some hammers. We need to break the concrete up into smaller, manageable pieces so we can safely haul it away. After we remove the bulk of the wall, we'll use a concrete angle grinder to completely smooth out the edges of the window frame and prepare it for installation. Next, we'll build out the window frame's header, jack studs, and sill plate with weather-resistant wood. Shims, a tape measure, and multiple checks with a level will ensure that your window is installed perfectly straight and securely, providing a proper fit and preventing future issues with alignment or gaps. After securing the boards with wood glue and exterior screws, we'll run a layer of Liquid Nails heavy-duty construction adhesive across the top of the window. An air wedge and more shims are used to make precise adjustments during installation. This ensures the window is perfectly aligned and level before securing it in place. Any remaining gaps on the outside of the window are filled in with concrete and brushed down for an even cure. On the inside of the window frame, insulation foam sealant is used between each crack. After it's done curing, the excess is trimmed off flush with the window frame. Now comes my favorite part. Let's measure twice and bring out your galvanized steel window well and get it ready for installation. After we maneuver it into place and line it up with our measurements, we'll drill pilot holes and secure the well into place with 2-inch galvanized steel masonry screws and washers. Once secured, we'll backfill the window well with washed river rock and soil and evenly compress the ground with a steel stamper. Next, we'll flash seal the frame with patented PSX20 window wrap, then finish framing the window with more liquid nail and exterior screws. A final layer of watertight sealant is applied and smoothed around the frame of the window and well, further preventing any water from entering your home. Now it's time for the finishing touches. If necessary, we'll also install a window cover and ladder to meet building codes. Finally, we clean up the work area and perform a thorough inspection to make sure everything is up to standard. We'll check that the window opens easily, that there are no leaks, and that the egress system is installed properly and fully functional. Congratulations, you now have a brand new egress window that not only enhances the safety of your basement, but also adds a touch of natural light into your home. We hope this tutorial answered any questions you have about the installation process and showed you what the heroes at StayDry can do for you.